everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a NASDAQ ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With NASDAQ's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise and some may fall, but with NASDAQ's guidance we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a NASDAQ ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With NASDAQ's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise and some may fall, but with NASDAQ's guidance we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. So sit back, relax, the stream's about to start. With NASDAQ's melody, we'll capture your heart. Own your future now, let the market sway. With NASDAQ's rhythm, we're here to stay. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a NASDAQ ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With NASDAQ's rhythm, we're here to stay. Welcome to the market where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. The NASDAQ's colors bright, the future's in our sight. We're here to own the future, everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in the NASDAQ ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With NASDAQ's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise and some may fall, but with NASDAQ's guidance we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a NASDAQ ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With NASDAQ's rhythm, we're here to stay. So sit back, relax, the stream's about to start. With NASDAQ's melody, we'll capture your heart. Own your future now, let the market sway. With NASDAQ's rhythm, we're here to stay.
Welcome to the market where the bulls and bears play.
watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. With Nasdaq's colors bright and futures in our sight, we're here to own the future. Everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away.
All right. Good morning. What is this, Wednesday? July 9th? See what we get in the markets today. All the days just kind of fade together. Zoom out a little bit. What's the daily? Trying to push back up. Hourly. Yeah, keep pushing. Maybe get a pullback, push up. Draw some nice little lines. Got minor support. Sweet. Might see a bit of pullback at open and push. We got the Globex open 22,902. Right, got market open in about 1 minute. So be patient, find good setups, and let's have some fun. Who goes there? 929. Let's go. Working on it, boss. There he is. Good morning. I don't hear him. Must be muted. It was a joke. Oh, where am I at? Public? Where we at? On this one. Nice push, huh? Oh, wait, I gotta get
it was. But I jumped in and I FOMO'd. That's already my first bad trade.
Yeah, I almost forgot to turn my 2 minute on. You ain't gonna miss it today, are you?
Oh shit, yeah. No, I got an alarm. Thanks. Yeah, let's see it.
Probably be the first red day. You do it, it'll be the first red day in 3 months.
Yeah, oh yeah. Hey, good morning, Skeletor. Absolutely, it's always like that.
Good morning, Skeletor. Oh, this is a big push up. This could be the day.
Wow. Yeah, no, I'm not going to get in. If last time I got in once with you. Remember, it was also on an extended candle.
I want to take my challenge account and give it to the 2 minute bot, but it's trading a 10 lot, and I'm not allowed to trade 10 lot, I guess. Today we trade this one, this one, this one, and this one.
David, let me know if the printer's working.
Did you even go to bed last night? I went to bed. You were streaming. I wake up, you're streaming.
Hey, good morning, Joker. No, I did. Hold on a minute. That's the 2-minute alarm, boys and girls. Wow. Yeah, I did. Sorry, I'm distracted. I got up at 6:50. I started streaming this morning at 6:50, I think. And I'm still behind schedule. I'm still scrambling to get things organized. Can you believe it?
6:50.
Yeah, I woke up. I helped my wife go to work. I did her lunch, made her coffee. I did the dishes. And then I came and I streamed. Okay, so watching gold. Gold has a long trade, but I don't know. Do I want to take gold now or do I want to focus on NQ?
That's what time she goes to work, 6:50?
No, she leaves around 6:30. She leaves around 6:30, a little bit earlier. Anybody see my trade copy or where did it go?
Where you left it.
Yeah, it doesn't, it's not, there's no top. I thought there was no always on top. Oh, even though I put it always on top, it disappeared. OBS is taking it over. It's stronger. OBS is a stronger always on top than the Apex copier does. Wow, look at that.
See if it takes my trade on time today. Did not take it? Yeah, I forgot what the hell's going on. That should have been the trade there.
No, it's, oh my God, I'm on the fucking 30-minute chart. There's a conspiracy. Yeah.
It didn't take it. What the hell?
What? I'm long.
I gotta re-go over my conditions. Where the fuck's the chart? Strategy. How's that fucking Ninja Trader shit? I don't know what a 2-minute candle is. There it is. Oh, it's a terrible feel.
Oh yeah, wow, it's a.
I got it.
It's a late though.
I got it again.
Yeah.
All right, I think I know what happened. So you told me to set it a candle behind. I think I set it for 32 to 34.
I tell you anything.
Now I'm gonna have to back test which is better, the 30 to 32 or the 32 to 34.
If you have it on a 2-minute chart, I don't know how to set it. Let me think. 32. Yeah, what I would do is I would say current time is greater than 9:32. Get it? So at 9:34, when the candle closes on your 2-minute chart, since the time is greater than 9:32, when that candle closes, it'll check that condition and then it'll enter the trade. Not 9:32 to 9:34. You just set the condition is time greater than 9:32.
Yep.
Not greater than equal to, because then if you make it equal to, then the 9:32 candle could potentially trigger
I'm
it.
gonna change it now to the other one. See what it gets. Enable. Performance. Oh, that one's terrible. Don't do that one. At least take the... Look, I'm on 2-minute candles, and somehow I got 31 and 33. What the fuck?
What do you mean, 931, 933?
Yeah, on 2-minute candles. I got even numbers. I'm on odds on the candles.
In your code?
No, in NinjaTrader.
Oh, wow, that's weird. Never seen that.
When I go over to candles, it's 931, 933, 935, 937.
Seven.
So it's not my fault. I don't know how to set it up. It's NinjaTrader's fault.
Hmm.
So I'm learning how to tell time like everybody else.
Where are my positions? Really? I can only laugh. I can only laugh.
All right, try it again. Performance. There we go.
Okay. Why can I only laugh? Because I set up my trade copier to copy to 4 accounts. I hit a nice winner in NQ. You think it copied to any of the follower accounts?
Every one of them.
Yeah, not one. Yeah. I don't know. I wonder if there's a back end where they wait like 1 or 2 seconds to make their decisions. And they see, you know, if it's going in your favor, maybe not. If it immediately goes against you, you've been filled. Congratulations.
All right, so my trade might be a 932 to 934 open range.
Really? You mean all the time, or you're just changing it now?
No, apparently that's the way it's been.
Oh yeah, that's interesting. That's a new way to look at things. I like that. It's innovative, and
Was on accident. I do a lot of things on accident.
Sure, that's how the greatest discoveries are made. What, are you kidding me?
But it's not my fault when I'm on a 2-minute chart and all the candles are odds. Look at that, 929, 927, 925. What the fuck?
Let me sell a crude and see what happens. I don't even know what the... I don't even know what I'm risking on crude. Oh, screen 2 isn't even up. Oh, I gotta get I'm stopped out. That was fast. Screen 2, let me find it. Sorry, there, it's the blue chart. It's crude. I'm long. I reversed my position. But the longs aren't really going much, going far.
Is that oil?
Yeah, well, I'm gonna hold it into the news.
Is there news today? I haven't even looked. All right, I gotta look at that.
It's Wednesday, yeah, it's crude inventories. Okay, enough playing. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm playing all the time. All I'm doing is playing.
Did you
That's true.
Did you put me on your stream?
No. Was I supposed to?
No. I'm hiding today.
You didn't remind me.
What?
Okay, let me get at it. Yeah, you didn't remind me. I'm not on your stream.
Yes, you are. That guy right there, playing with his balls.
Playing with his balls. Boom, boom. Hey, why didn't you appear?
I'm hiding. I told you that.
Boom, boom. There we go. Ah, okay. Now let's check the talk. Let me see if the output is there.
Yeah. Can you hear me now?
I do. Let me just go see on stream.
What stream?
Yeah, where buddy? My stream on the laptop.
Okay.
I'm monitoring your stream on the thing. Shit, yeah, I'm sorry. I forgot. C'est la vie.
All the people on your stream are just looking at you like, this guy's really weird. He's talking to himself.
What the fuck is he talking about? Missed a couple of good trades there. I don't even know which chart too much.
Man, his NQ's just to the moon, isn't it?
Excellent. Steal me in. So, Mike, I was asking the question. I don't know if you were around. How do you handle when it gets close to your target? Like if your target is 33.09 and it got up to 33.08. Hypothetically, I'm not asking what you did. I'm just saying hypothetically, if you wouldn't take your your profit at 33.08, if you didn't get out a little early, if you're really going for your 33.09 or 33.10 target, and you're so close, you're within $1, you move your stop up because, you know, if you're up $10, $15, it's not logical to allow $15 of profit to erase just to get that extra dollar. Like kind of like at what point do you start moving your stop closer in? When you're 50% to target, 60, 70, 80% to target? Any insights?
You wouldn't move it at the last minute, would you? I would think you would move it before the last minute.
Oh, okay, yeah, but I'm saying, but at the last minute, if you're still holding it, you gotta move it. You can't be, you can't risk it, that last dollar. Just hoping, you know what I mean. You have $1 left of profit. You're not gonna risk $15 of unrealized profits. I have a trade at 58. I want to try and get in 55. That's good over there.
Now you'd be looking for at least break even, right? Or if you're that close to profit, but I don't know that you'd move it at the last minute.
Oh, you see, I'm size too big. Why am I size too big? Because I can't add.
Do you have a kill button on your keyboard? Close all?
No.
No?
No, I didn't even know we can set that up. And I would drop chop half, 75%.
I got a break even and a close all on my keyboard set up.
Wow, like hotkeys.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, but good idea.
So if we're close to the target, I'm switching to at least break even. And if it pulls back, I can kill it.
Yeah. No, the only button I have is flatten all on the trade copier, which again didn't work. Which I guess is a good thing because this one is struggling.
I don't know how you have so much issues with the trade copier.
Yeah, it's a nightmare. It's a true nightmare. Let's bust through here. There we go. Close. I'm up 248 on the take profit account. I don't know if you guys can see that.
Sweet. One of these guys could have told me to just buy the opening candle and hold it.
If we only knew, huh?
I mean, technically I bought the second candle, but then I took it for 10 points.
Yeah. That's a strong opening.
Yeah, it is.
I don't know if you heard my opening remarks, but I was saying that there's an 80% chance we revisit the Asia lows.
Looks like we're going for the all-time high. 23, 100, 101.
Rocketing higher.
20 points. It'd be hard to believe it doesn't take it now. Sure wish we could have got at least a little bit of a pullback. So who all was so aggressive that they jumped into that?
is a short. Fuck off with the wrong mouse, Mike.
Hard for me to be that aggressive first thing in the morning. Still trying to open my eyes.
Tried to get into a gold short here. This is the 1 minute chart. Let's see if we can get filled. Shit, we're right at VWAP. No, that's the reason not to take the trade. Goodbye. Let's get back to NQ. If I have a reason not to take a trade, I'm not taking the trade anymore. I got hurt too much taking trades when
was that a
reason not to take
was that a short or a long?
It was a short. If it was a long, I would have taken it. But I'm not going to short coming into VWAP from above.
Yeah, we did make on gold a higher low and a higher high.
Mm.
So do we pull back before we take the high or after?
On gold?
NQ.
What is the high? I don't even know. Aren't we there already?
23.101.
23.1, yeah. I don't know, but I'm guessing that's going to be a fucking spectacular short at 23.098. I'm not going to do it because it's not in my playbook, but if anyone's got the balls to do it in such a strong move, it's probably going to work.
Talking about shorting the high? Like it's not going to take it, it's going to bounce off?
Yeah, the first time.
Oh, shit.
Off an aggressive move like that.
Mike Stunt says he's going to do it.
Very, yeah. I was just going to say, I said I'm not calling them Mike Stunts trades anymore, but I was going to say that's a Mike Stunts trade. It's also a wood chip trade. He took it. It's a great trade. I mean, with this level of aggressivity into that level, you know, what did we come up from? 972. It's almost going to be 130 points. It almost seems like a no-brainer trade, but it's not. It's not for me. It's not my playbook.
Mm-hmm.
I gotta stick with. I can't be trading what other people are trading. I can't be saying, "Oh, wood chip would take this, so I'm gonna take it." I can't be saying, "Oh, this and that."
Well, if you do, just size down. I mean, you can't just jump in your normal position on a trade that you don't normally take.
That is the key. I agree 100%. Absolutely. Yep. But I forget.
I watch a lot of trades that aren't my go-to trades, but if I'm going to take one, I'm going to size down and keep a tight stop.
Yeah, I forget. That's my problem. Remind me?
Yeah, I tell ChatGPT to do it.
I can't wait for the day when ChatGPT can do things like that, when they make it more functional. It's really...
it's not going to be long.
It has so much more potential. They're holding it back.
It's already on the computer. It's just a matter of time before they just open it up.
Yep.
I think you said you don't got it. You don't got Copilot, do you?
No, I don't even know what that is.
It's GPT on the Windows 11.
Oh, okay. No, I don't have Windows 11. I have Windows 10.
You could probably download it. It's called Copilot.
Yeah, I think GPT should just be a real virtual assistant. It should remember everything that you give it. And
Microsoft jumped on that one quick. GPT threw billions and billions of dollars at it.
Yeah.
Like, we want everything you got.
Well, I was right not to take the short in gold if you look at my orange chart. Why is my chart orange? Because I need to remember that it's gold. Decision off. But
shouldn't it be gold?
It is gold. It just appears pink for some reason. No, actually, I chose salmon. I think that's the color I'm using. Okay, smarty pants. Let's go see what gold looks like.
Hey, there's your trade. What did it hit? 97?
not sure. I was watching. I don't think it got that high. I think it got to 96.
Mine says 97. Yep, 97.
Oh, yeah.
They actually fixed the click on the chart thing, so I can use it again for trading view.
Ooh, look how bad gold looks
Yeah.
on the chart. Yeah.
You can't dull it down?
That's like dog piss yellow in the winter.
Yeah, but can you adjust the occupancy?
There, dark goldenrod. Dark goldenrod is one of my favorite colors when I'm using it. But maybe I'll just go down to chocolate. Chocolate, no.
Chocolate salty balls gold.
Chocolate salty balls, saddle brown. There we go. We're going to go with saddle brown. It's a little more pleasant, at least on my monitor.
I don't even know how to change the background.
And salmon. Okay, let's get back to NQ. Wow, look at that trade in NQ. Skeletor, did you catch this trade with the Renkos? This forever trade that never reversed. Look at all those 3-to-1, 4-to-1, 5-to-1 trades. James, you see those also? All those wicks? Remember we were talking about that yesterday? Fuck. Minimum 3-to-1, 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 3-to-1.
So this is our reversal trade, right? Where's Mike at? Said he was going to take it.
Yeah, he probably did, depending on what his entry was.
Fuck it. Take it.
If the entry was 98. Nice. No, but did you catch it? Skeletor, did you catch that?
Now what the fuck? As soon as I jump in, it goes back up. This is why I can't trade these damn things.
Well, you got in late. What are you doing? You got in where you're supposed to be taking profit.
Getting slaughtered is what I'm doing. Mother bitches.
You were supposed to take it at 23,100. Your reflexes were a little slow there. No?
I don't know.
He's thinking. I don't know. I don't remember. You know what you're...
I don't fucking know.
I don't know. I was just supposed to click sell at some point.
Have I ever told you that I was a counter trend trader? No.
But you went short, right?
Yeah.
That's not counter trend.
It is. That's why I don't know.
Yeah, that's why we don't know. We don't know what we're supposed to do.
You just press the button and close your eyes and...
Well, you can get out at even. Can't be that much against you anyways, to be honest.
That's like 5 points right now.
Yeah, yeah. Even if I look at the low there.
I mean, it did have an inverse hammer.
I'm gonna try and get back in. If I got my clicker ready, if a trade triggers, let's take it for a 3-lot.
Now, if it takes me out, do I go long?
79, 83, 93. At 93, a trade's gonna trigger. Oof, there's a reason not to take a trade. That's definitely it. Ah, look at gold taking off. Shit.
Mother bitches.
Gold just blew right through the previous day's close. And we triggered a trade here. I'll try it. You know what? I'll try it for a 2-lot. I got to get better than 93. I got in at 91.50. My trade copier is working. 2-lot's not so bad. Now let's break through 23,100. Most likely it won't. 93, 87, 86, 85. At 85 I can add a 2-lot.
You long? Go. He's fading me.
I'm long, and stopped out. Like I said, I knew it was a reason not to take a trade. This thing can dump hard and fast also.
All right, do I hold or get out?
I don't know. I'm thinking you should hold, to be honest with you.
Fucking choppy markets.
I'm trying to minimize my mistake. This is not a place to go long.
Well, fuck, do something.
$40, really? Okay. Sweep on next. Yeah, no, this is not a place to, this is definitely not a place to go long. Let it fall to 60 and then go long and have another edit.
Alright, fuck it. I'm just gonna jump out. These trades are too long for me.
You got out at even, at least?
Even-ish.
Or better.
Nah, I think it got me for like 2 ticks or something.
You didn't get out better-ish?
I mean, I pressed the button and even. It fucked me.
Yeah.
Does it ever fuck you in your favor?
Nope.
Every now and then, but I mean...
Very rarely.
Very rarely. Didn't you say we had news or something, or that already happened?
I have no idea. I didn't check.
2 o'clock. Wait, we got FOMC today? What the fuck?
Wednesday.
Nobody called that out?
What kind of channel viewers are you? Nobody lets us know.
Yeah, we got fucking FOMC at 2 o'clock. No wonder the market's acting the way it is.
What month are we? July?
Crude oil, 10:30.
There's no rate decision today, though. I don't think. Okay, well, I'm not screwing up take profit tro. Take profit tro.
What?
Take profit. I don't know. I think someone put vodka in my coffee. Just talks, FOMC minutes. Yeah. Just talks, FOMC minutes. That's what I thought. No rate decision today.
Yeah, last time, what was it? Trump got on before the Fed president and was talking how he should be Fed president. How he knows so much more that he should be Fed president. And
while he's president or after his term?
Now,
does he want to do both at the same time? Do both at the same time.
He wants to do both at the same time.
Let me do everything.
He's mad because they won't lower the rates. They want to refinance the debt. And seen a video that said it's going to cost them like $1 trillion more.
Yeah.
Because they won't lower the rates. Which is, I said it was about that of the entire defense budget. The question is, if they get in a fight, who do you think is going to win, Trump or Powell?
Where's the take profit trader account? Why it doesn't show? Oh, you're right. Powell's a pretty tough cookie.
I'd have to go with Powell. The Fed chair don't give a shit about the president.
Yeah, that's what I would think also. Sorry about that, guys. I thought we were displaying everything. There we go. Now we're displaying everything. I thought we were displaying everything. I didn't even realize.
Is that our high? There's the all-time high right there.
Yeah. I missed the entry. Shit, damn. Anyways, no, it was at the same place. I would have avoided it also again.
I think I was on the wrong chart. Could have took it.
I'm short on gold. Really, Mike? I'm thinking of going long, actually. Not gonna...
Trading's great, isn't it? I'm short. I'm long.
Yeah. Big Mike, that's me now, is going to fade Magic Mike. But I do need a signal, guys, before this has to turn bullish on the bottom left. I'm not just entering now.
What was he saying? Short?
He's thinking short, yeah. I don't know. You know what? Right now we're flip-flopping on the previous day's close. So I think it's an either-or situation right here.
I can see a short. We do have an order block there in gold.
And What does it look like on the 1 minute chart? Let me get the 1 minute. The price hold above for a little bit. Oh shit.
We never did do a retest of open range, did we? I forget that one about every day now.
Trying to get in on gold. There we go. I'm in on gold. Low risk trade. Oh, almost stopped me out instantly. That would have been disgusting. Gold is acting weird at 10:02. Just shot up $2 in an insta flash from 33.09 to 33.11. I don't like that kind of erratic behavior. I lightened up my position, and I don't know what the fuck is happening. Where are all my gauges?
Hey, I got me a new pop-up. Show it to you when you're not in trade.
Okay.
Turn that one off.
A new pop-up. 30 seconds in the toaster, and they're ready to go. You had a news pop-up.
A new pop-up. Yeah, give me a minute. I'll be back.
We're at gold. 11.3, 11.2, 11.1, 10.9, 10.8, 11.1. I think we got to get to 11.5. 10.9, 11, 10.9, 11, 10.8, 10.9, 11, 11.1. Stuck at the 10.9 to 11.1 area. 11.2. Back to 10.9. That's the offer. Oh, we're all the way down there already again, eh? Oof. It's only going to be a two-bar runner. 10.9. I don't want to take more than one lot risk on this. Once again, not comfortable in my trade. 11, take me out. Mostly because I'm disorganized, guys. I shouldn't be this disorganized. My strategies, for some reason, aren't on the chart, even though it says that they should be on the chart. Template, load, gold, load, enable. Okay, there we go. Now I have my levels. I can see where the next bar forms. I can see where to put my stop. I didn't know I was flying blind there for a minute. It's like someone put a blindfold on me. Oh, you know what? It's true. Let me just put it on one chart. We don't need it on both charts. And then I'll get out of gold. I'll put it back up the NQ chart. NQ came down good. So
Inverse hammer on the 5 minute for NQ.
I may get inverse hammer. I'll take a look.
All right, sell at full port.
Strategies.
Hey, you got a couple new subscribers.
Did I?
153. You was at what, 151 yesterday?
Yeah. I got a trade at 23,100 on Q. I'm just gonna buy a 2-lot. I'm getting a better price, 97.75, nothing special. It trade copied. Somehow it says I'm down $20 already. Jesus, I'm bleeding fuck. I'm down 5 points. That was fast. Okay. This area is really hurting me, eh? I should be adding here, so I will add. And I will try to improve my average price. I do like this trade. There we go. Let's pop up, even though there's a wick there. Come on, give me a pop. Pop goes the weasel. Hi, give me a pop. I need a pop. Tell the markets to pop. Say, markets, pop. Pop goes the market. Oh, it's going the wrong way.
Cameras up there. He waved at you. If you're gonna wave, you gotta wave up there.
Tell your dad to let you trade.
There you go.
Oh, I'm not happy. If this is gonna happen to me again today, shit. Oh, sorry. I wasn't supposed to say the S word.
She couldn't hear you.
Market is done popping. Yeah, I'm gonna get hurt on this trade. 15 points more than enough. Take my fucking gold. Lick my wounds and see where I am. Okay, well, for me, that's enough for the MFFU, Apex, and Apex. No more trade copying. Shit! Nobody laugh. Now it's going to go back up.
I don't know, because we do got that inverse hammer on the 5 minute.
Yeah, I see it.
Wonder if it pushes up a little bit more and then comes down.
I'm going to start tilting.
I don't do that.
Fuck, I got out at the low again. I see that support right there, and I'm getting out because I just don't want to take more risk.
Instead of tilting, what if you just lean a little bit?
Yeah, maybe. Yeah.
Sad that I missed the only entry that I've had today.
Oh yeah, I could feel I'm fuming. I could feel I'm fuming. I just took a Bulenox trade and I want to go click, 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 click.
Yeah, take a minute and go eat you some, what is that you can have? What are you allowed to eat?
Cottage cheese.
Gosh, I was thinking like applesauce or something. Fuck, I don't know.
Yeah. It's that fucking MFFU account. It's fucking unlucky.
It's jinxed.
I can't win a fucking trade on it. As soon as I started trade copying to the MFFU account, my day fell apart.
Those damn competition accounts.
No, it's not the competition account.
Oh, it's a different one?
Yeah, it's MFFU. My funded futures. I can't get a winning trade on that thing no matter what I do. It won't allow me to have a winning trade.
Gonna have to start doing the coin flip strategy. At least that's a 50-50.
Taking 70% trades and it's never winning.
Isn't that crazy how that can happen?
Cottage cheese. Do I have to go eat the cottage cheese or can I just go throw it against the kitchen wall?
Yeah, just bury your face in it.
The container is too small. Only my nose will go in. I'll drown in it. Man drowns in cottage cheese.
That'd be shitty, wouldn't it?
That would be a shitty death. Curd stuck in your nose.
Drank only water? Why would you drink only water?
Ooh.
Joker Trade said drink only water.
Yeah, it's all I'm supposed to drink. My wife's been telling me that also. Drink water, drink water.
I told you to drink this shit that I drink.
Yeah, we were talking about it. We got a couple of special bottles that were supposed to make me happy. One of them whistled every time I took a sip.
What?
And then I got, yeah, I don't know. Somehow air was getting into the straw. I couldn't figure out where.
Wait, are you gonna do that? Are you gonna do that trick where you like smell fruit and then drink water, and it's supposed to be like you taste the fruit?
I never heard of that one.
You never heard of that one?
No, it's got to be a Ron DeSantis thing.
You'll have to Google it.
Really? No, never heard of that.
Though I still don't know why you wouldn't just drink the same shit I drank. Look, I still got it right there. Got a whole shitload of vitamins to help you out. Natural flavoring. I don't even think it's got any calories. If I wasn't blind, I'd be able to see it. Oh, it's got 20 calories.
So,
It's got 20 calories.
well, it's nothing. Same thing as nothing.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, my wife got me a Walla bottle. That one works well. A Walla.
Is that the one that whistles?
No, that was a dollar store bottle.
Oh, you got that one too?
Yeah, we got the one that whistled, and then it was no good, so I went for a...
Why was it no good?
Well, because it whistled, and I have it here. It sounds stupid. Every time you drink water, you're whistling.
We wanted to hear
Where's my trade copier? I gotta get it at, close it. And Q, and boom, not copying any more trades. Let's run here now a little bit. I got a 3-lot in gold. Let me put up the gold chart for you guys. Just lighten up $1 higher.
Gold's running nicely, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
It's coming up to a resistance.
I'll put NQ up. NQ, we're just sitting in this little range here. Control F12. We got to the all-time high. You know what? I should have followed my instincts. It was an obvious trade that we were going to stall out at the 23,100. Problem is, every time I try that, it blows through it like it's not even there, and it gets frustrating.
I tried it and fucked it all up.
Yeah. Yeah, that was funny what you did.
Hey, at least I tried it.
That was funny what you did. Okay, we're going to sell 23,100. It hits 23,100, down 10 points, down 20 points, down 25 points. Are we selling now? No, you're supposed to sell it just as you touch it, I think. I don't know. I don't do it often enough. But I would think you're supposed to sell it when you hit.
Yeah, it only went down. It only went down 20 points.
Yeah, it didn't go down much. But when you hit a significant level.
So you don't wait for a confirmation candle? Ask the chat. Confirmation candle or no confirmation candle?
Yeah, I would think confirmation candle.
Well, then you're too late, right?
Yeah, that's the thing. But when I do testing, I put in a confirmation candle.
think that's always the big dilemma, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
You get the
Because you just don't wanna-
confirmation. Huh?
Yeah, you don't want to get the ones that just run right through it. You know, you want to see some level of confirmation that it's going.
Joker shorting at 22,750. 22,750. I mean, shorting 220. Oh, I read it wrong. Shorting 222,750. Damn, that's ambitious, isn't it? Fuck yeah. Zoom way the fuck out for that. You sure you didn't mean 23? Shit, he's trying to take out a whole week.
You're not working.
No, I'm not working. I'm here with you.
Yeah, no, I mean I'm supposed to have bars marked off. Okay, I don't know. Something's weird. This was working yesterday. Anyways, you know what? I'll deal with it tonight, right? Just remove it and we'll figure it out. Remove. I know what it's supposed to be doing. And let's get back to NQ 1 minute. Let's see what it's doing. We're still trading in this zone. Properties, let's move it out to at least 1117. Unfortunately, Ninja Trader doesn't just extend a rectangle on its own. And gold is moving up nicely. One, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2. Is that what you got? 1, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1.
5, 6, 7, 8, 309. What the fuck are you talking about?
Yeah, it's true. I forgot. You didn't want to tell people about that.
About what?
The 1, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1.
That's so secretive, even I don't know about it.
Who sings that song? The 5, 6, 7, 3, 8, 109 or what? You remember it? I feel like it's a Jesse something. The fuck
One of the like Jenny, I got your number.
There's the same guy that sings Jesse's Girl.
Is it?
I don't know. I'm guessing.
It's Jesse's girl, Jenny.
Jenny is from. For me, Jenny will always be from
Forrest Gump.
Forrest Gump. Yeah, that was a good movie. That was a good movie.
Mama always said trading's like a box of chocolate. Mama always said trading's like a box of salty balls.
But yeah, a box of just chocolate salty balls. Hey, it's true. You know what? You said go bury myself in cottage cheese. Forget it. I'm gonna play with my
You gonna play with your cottage cheese?
balls.
Oh.
Come on, you should have known that one.
You're not gonna rub cottage cheese on them, are you?
No, that would be a little excessive. So what am I looking for right now? I could take another gold if gold triggers.
Because NQ ain't
To the
doing
long
shit.
side. Yeah, to the long side. Gold would trigger right now to the long side. It couldn't trigger to the short side for now. And NQ is also has the ability to trigger a long but not a short.
Gold's at a resistance level with an inverse hammer. I don't know if I'd long that. What? There it goes. See?
I don't know. Whatever you said gave me an instant headache.
Me too.
What are you? You're looking at a 5-minute chart on gold.
I was, but
Another inverse hammer. There's 2 inverse hammers. There was one in NQ and now there's one in gold.
and I don't think either one of them played out, did they?
Wow, look at that, eh? Yeah, I see it. Isn't that a shooting star? I think we had that conversation. Don't they call that a shooting star? You know, like when it's going across the sky, or like a comet with the tail. Gas
Nah,
tail.
I think a shooting star would be if it would have dropped down afterwards. Like it jumps up and then pulls back, creates the inverse hammer, and then drops down.
I didn't know that these patterns had
They're all the same.
conditions. I thought it was just one candle. Everything was just one individual candle. NQ will trigger at 79 plus 4 is 83.93. It's not really good. Let's hopefully we can get down to 71. If we can get down to 71, goal NQ will trigger at 85. Another long. 72. Did we break a swing low? No. Did we close above it? Below it? We broke it. We swept it, but we didn't close really below it. The swing low over here, and that's kind of where I should probably have my my box.
Right now, they're just taking out everybody trying to take new highs.
Yeah, I am surprised. I figured we were going to see jubilant enthusiasm and really see it run, but maybe that'll happen in the afternoon. Maybe now they'll just fuck around and
I don't know, because
but FOMC, yeah.
I'm surprised it went that far with the FOMC. But really, it's only up 0.8%. It looks like a long run nowadays, but shit, a month ago you'd be saying this ain't even moving.
You'll see it drop straight down to 800. Well, we're up 175 points. Yeah, that's the thing. Joker's saying down to 800. Like I said, there's an 80% chance we take out the Asia lows. That's a statistical
Yes, could just drop
situation right there. So,
or do they push back up to the high one more time and then drop it?
like I said, 80% doesn't mean 100%. That means 20% of the time it won't happen, but it's still a high probability event.
And it's a high probability that's FOMC and there's going to be some fuckery going on.
Yeah. Yeah. Who? Butterstunts? Butterstunts blew his account.
Oh
He
shit!
should have waited. He should have waited for FOMC. That's when you catch good volatility.
Should have waited for the short right here, huh? We could just get a push up a little bit, trap some more bulls, and then tank. I'd maybe jump in for the long haul. Hey, you never looked at my pop-up. Fucking guy.
Yeah, hold on. Yeah, I got it. Go.
Don't.
Me. There's
Hey, don't turn the sound on. It may or may not get flagged.
Yeah, no, I got no sound. If I do have sound, it'll be in my ear anyways. Where is it?
Wait till I see if I get flagged first. Ready?
Ready?
Because I'm Batman.
Oh, wow. Nice. Good job. What'd you use for it?
We got
Canva?
Batman. Huh?
Canva?
I just downloaded pictures. I tried to get GPT to make me a Batman. It said no.
Okay. Yeah, no, we wouldn't do that.
Dude, really? Went on about this whole thing about being DC characters and they own copyright to the cape.
Yeah, it's the same thing like.
I was like, fuck, dude, can we just like not do the cape?
Yeah, I wouldn't even use it on your stream, to be honest with you.
I think it's gonna get flagged.
I don't know. I mean, you're using, you know, a copyrighted
Oh God.
symbol there, the bat symbol. These guys are very protective of their stuff.
We'll see. If I get flagged, I'll take it down.
We'll see. If I'm not streaming next week, they came after me.
If I come back next week and I got one viewer, just resubscribe. I'm learning what not to do.
Uh, Nine points. That's all we have of range in the. Pretty sad. What do we got in gold? 385. Oh, that's the 5-minute chart. I got excited there for a minute. It's 145. 145 is good. $1.45 is good for range in the. How's crude doing? Crude did a lot of shitty movement. What are we? We're 2 minutes away from the inventories. Let's watch it.
Hey, the good news is so far my intro video hasn't been flagged. Thought the music in that would have got flagged.
Nope, forgot. Up one more time. Hey, you think we're going to go up one more time?
I was hoping so.
I'm thinking up one more time and drop. You will see drop. I'm thinking up one more time. Yeah.
Just gonna go without us.
Up or down?
Down?
Oh, I'm in gold.
Oh, okay. I was talking about NQ.
Yeah, I got gold up. Did you? Oh, you didn't hear the alarm? That means my wife's coming home soon.
Uh-oh. Run. Everybody hide.
Everybody hide.
All right, I'm hiding. All right, I'm back. Killed my camera so she couldn't see me.
I'm gonna get a hit today. I can feel it. I think it's the stress of knowing I have to now go on a diet for God knows how long.
Yeah, it's not that bad. I don't know.
Gold 33.85.
I have to jump in here on the NQ. Not the best setup.
I would love to see gold go to 33.85 in one candle.
Take it.
Okay. Crude. That's it. There was nothing. 10:30. Don't the inventories come out at 10:30?
Oh shit! I just took a trade.
I'm not watching this chart. Okay, I need this chart up.
Break even. Nah, take it for the 9 points. Scared me out of it with the gold. And I got a support level. Oh shit, there it went.
I know what you're watching. NQ?
Yeah. I got out and then it dropped another 30 points.
Yeah, I think I did the same stupidity. I don't know. It all happened so fast, but I think I did the same stupidity. I got out early.
Well, I'm happy with the exit because it was at a support zone. So I had a reason to get out. I really was hoping for a good push up there to get in a nice position to ride down.
Nice trade. I don't know. I remember Mike said he didn't get in, but eventually it got up there. And if he did get in, have fun. Okay, guys, that drop was magic. Done for the getting.
Sweet.
Good job, James. Now we're at VWAP. That was a nice dump, yep. And we're getting down to the US session lows. I did take the NQ short. You still holding it? This is a nice area for a target, I would say. Previous day's high. US session highs, kind of where VWAP is hanging out.
I think the question is, what was the entry signal? What was the confirmation?
23,100 in that area.
So just jump in at the 23,100. No confirmation candle or setup.
I would assume you just wait to see a little bit of weakness. However you define that. Now, you see, shit. I need to mix up the markets. The markets need to be reset because they're really not... they're so off with the way I trade. Like now I'm going to get a short. It's going to be right on VWAP. I'm either getting longs right into the highs or shorts into VWAP.
I think the NQ was kind of screaming that that short was coming.
Yeah.
I was hoping for it to push back up. I mean, it kind of gave a signal, but it was kind of an iffy one.
Yeah.
I don't know.
It was an obvious trade, in my opinion. It's just
then we got
trade.
A little bit of a pullback, and I jumped in. But then, I don't know. I guess I should have held. I don't know.
That was what I would call a trade that screams out at you. But
just didn't give a good entry signal. In my opinion.
Yeah. If I take it now, I have to take those kinds of trades all the time. I have to make it a playbook trade, and I don't do well on them.
Well, for my strategy, I had a clear setup,
yeah.
But I was looking for a pullback.
I think what makes me poor at them is that I'm not patient enough to wait for like strong levels, you know, like the 2300 or the US session lows. I try to make levels everywhere.
Yeah.
And you know, I'm a hyper clicker, so you know, every swing low is a level, and I'm turning everything into levels. Good job, Mike. Mike got 80 points.
Sweet. You don't know if I could sell into the VWAP. Maybe if we get a good candle past it? I don't know.
Well, that's the thing. I'd be comfortable shorting if we get below VWAP and below the previous day's high. And price holds, and then a retest would be really beautiful. But
is that the 972?
Yeah.
I got the lines on my chart. I had them before, but I never remember what they are.
Yeah. The previous day's high and the previous day's low. I love them. They're favorite levels. You can really formulate good, strong trades around it, but you don't want to be hitting the previous day's high from above. It's when you're hitting it from below that it acts as resistance, and the previous day's low.
Yeah, I like to hit it from below.
Acts as support. I mean, this here still
and above and behind.
Yeah. No, what I'm saying, it could still be significant here, except it's not as significant as when you're coming from below. It's still a significant level, a very significant level. Same thing like red to green when you go from green or green to red.
What are you talking about?
You know, when you gap up and then you break the previous day's close and now it's a red day. We start off as a green day. If you gap above the previous day's close.
Where is the close?
Oh, I'm just saying in general, though, theoretically. Today's, I have the close at 22,903.
All right, I got the open at 902.
Yeah, it's usually around, it's 1 hour later, so it usually opens. Well, there's a nice wick on the 5 minute so far. It's going to close in 2 minutes and 28 seconds, and we did bounce off the previous day's high.
Mm-hmm. Wonder what the statistics is on that. Bouncing off the previous day high. Do you track that?
No, not thoroughly. I just track it visually and make mental notes. It is something that I should work on. Maybe we'll code something for it. We'll look into it maybe. It is a strong level to look at.
Should be pretty easy to code, just bounce off of the previous day high, come up from above it or below previous day low.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, you're going on your own. You don't want company. You wait till 11:30, no? Okay.
Going to Costco without you?
No. He has to go pick up a couple of things.
So y'all are starting the diet today, right? And you're going to Costco today?
That's it. That's why I have the poll up. Is my wife going to bail on the diet? Because
but I mean, when you go to
big baby.
When you go to Costco, they're like trying to shove food down your throat.
Yeah, and my wife's a big baby for those Costco hot dogs.
The hot dogs, they're always cooking something. Every hour there's somebody cooking something.
No, I'm talking at the restaurant after when you leave, you know?
I'm talking about while you're walking through the store. They don't,
yeah, that too. Samples. I know what you're talking about, the samples. Yeah. Yeah.
Like, no, you got to try 3 of these. Here, try 2 of these.
But I don't think samples counts.
Samples don't count.
Samples don't count.
I would ask them, the ladies giving them out, or whoever's giving them out, say, look, these are samples. I'm on a diet. These don't count, right?
You're not breaking your diet if you have a sample.
Ask to speak to the manager. Hey, listen, manager, I'm on a diet. Y'all are giving out samples. Does that violate my diet? Like, I don't fucking know, you weirdo.
Weirdo. What do I want to do? I think I'll sell stop. Really? That's all there is? That was all the continuation?
Here's your short signal. Still at VWAP.
Where? Oh, no VWAP for me.
Yeah, I don't like
Never. I watch it, but I don't make any decisions off. I avoid trades because of VWAP. I will not take a trade because of VWAP.
Yeah, that's what I was saying the other day. This one here triggered right on VWAP. I mean, so far it looks good, but I feel like the percentage goes down a lot when you're trying to fight VWAP. Or the 5 minute moving average, or the open.
Yeah, that's it. It's an obstacle. You know, if we're just a little bit below VWAP and then I get a long signal just under VWAP, it's an obstacle. So it's a reason to avoid the trade.
I'll take it.
Small short here. I think we're going to dump.
Yeah, still looking dumpy.
This is where it's hard for me to hold, but I'm going to hold the one lot.
I'll take it if it's clearly breaking the VWAP. Like if the signal's clearly under it. Not like this. This is still kind of there. I do think we could dump.
It looks like it wants to. It's feeling heavy.
But we also got a pivot point. We got VWAP and the previous day's high in the same spot.
Yeah, no. Pivot point? Really? You're right, eh? I didn't even see that. I should watch that R1. Yeah. Still feels heavy, though.
It does.
Pulling out a lot out of my trades. I'm really not having any conviction to my trades.
It's been kind of a shitty market. I mean, the market's kind of been great, but it's been the hesitation when getting in the trades.
Yeah.
Where it's not getting the follow through immediately like we're used to.
I'm not used to this.
I mean, you look at the chart in hindsight and you're like, what are you talking about? It's a great chart. Fuck, why didn't you take it? Like, well, damn, fucking, I did, and it just kept chopping around.
It took too long to make its move. Scared me. Gold's gonna get along.
What's funny is we'd look at the younger kids and be like, they ain't got no patience nowadays. Then you got the older guys. The trade took 3 seconds. I had to get out.
We should chop at this level, pull back to 23,050. I will take another short targeting 800. I got everything short right now. Lower time frame, higher time frame. Renko's. This break a structure over here is short. That's why I drew the line. Crude, you're goodbye. I don't want to watch crude. I don't even want to have it. This guy's short below the bands, and this guy's short below the bands. So I got everything short right now. And gold, I don't think I want to take gold anymore, not at 1043. We'll watch ES. ES is breaking below the previous day's high already.
So on the 5 minute chart, that all the way at the top, that inverse hammer did call it.
Yeah, it did.
2 minute got stopped out. 5 minute would have called it perfectly.
$81 plus 7 is 88. While I'm waiting for trades, I practice my math.
Oh yeah. My son loves math. He'll come in here and practice it with you for hours.
Yeah, I was always a numbers guy.
Be glad when he's old enough to get in the trading.
I was just calculating my add point. My add point's at 88. Not sure if I want to do it though. Yeah, stopped out. Good thing I didn't. Good thing I didn't. What are we doing? 1, 2.
Son's in 4th grade. He'll be in 5th now. He goes to school and he's asking other kids, like, what's this number times this number divided by this number? They're like, what the fuck are you talking about?
Show off.
It was in like 2nd and 3rd grade talking about, what's this number squared times this number? I'm like, fuck. We're still doing add and subtract. Get out of here.
I'm going to try one trade for a 2 up. Oh no, we're just a little over VWAP up, eh?
Yeah, I'll be back in a minute.
And we do have a higher low. Not a trend line guy, but we do have this over here on the 1-minute chart. And we have VWAP, and we have the initial balance low, and we have the previous day's high. This is a pretty tough area to take a trade. And one just triggered at 81. Too slow to get it. Short trade triggered at 81 and I missed it. Okay, c'est la vie. The ones that move fast, I'll keep waiting for one to move fast and I miss it. Let's see if we can get down to 53, 61, 58, 57. I'm short at 60, 61. Stop is quite high. I'm not comfortable with my stop. Looks like it wants to push lower. Come on, make a quick move. Pushing, it's stopping, it's pushing, it's stopping.
There's the dump.
7. Yeah,
You get in?
Very late. Very super duper late.
Shit, you're in now?
Mike's done. It's right back to the shop zone. No, a little bit lower than the chop zone, I would think. But sometimes it does that. It goes a little bit lower, and then it back up again.
I think he's talking about maybe the pre-market was trading sideways for a bit.
Mm-hmm. Let's get that back down to 60. Back down to 60. Sell it. Get back down to 60. Okay. Took a little 45-point scalp there. Good for her. Good, good, good. That's when you take the short. 955 is a support. We usually break through it, but I probably would bounce at least once. Go for an entry. Right back to the chop zone. I'm trading fucking poorly.
A Ninja Trader froze on me. Chart froze.
Okay, it's break time. Cottage cheese time.
Alright, give me some cottage cheese. I'm hungry too. Fucking
No,
chart.
but I got it back to break. I'm chasing them entering late and
Chart froze. Can't do nothing. That one's froze too. Seriously? fuck? Now I can't even click on it.
Definitely a problem with my computer. It needs a reset.
So I'm gonna have to kill Ninja Trader. The fuck?
Yeah, I'm thinking I got 2 workspaces open. Bye!
Did your chart freeze?
Nope.
That's just mine. The fuck, man.
I feel bad letting the guy go on his own.
I'm gonna give you another 10 minutes. You go with him.
40. I would have gone at 11:30.
I guess I gotta kill my Ninja Trader. Still froze on me. Can't even reset because can't click on anything. Yep.
It's coming up to 11 o'clock. That's the part of the stream where you guys get to choose the song. It's Chatter's choice. So if anybody has something they want to hear him sing, just let him know.
What is it? Your mic keeps cutting in and out.
Mine, really?
I don't know. It always sounds like that to me. Ask the chat.
You said it. You said it at 10:53. I'm gonna mark it and I'll check it on my stream, and I'll check it on yours. 10:53. 40. Do you have the time on your stream displayed?
Yeah.
We'll check it out. Yeah, if I can find it. What did I want to look for? This one. Why are you not working? It's impossible you're not working.
Yeah, it was 10:53.
Yeah.
I don't know. It just sounds like your mic sometimes is glitching.
It is possible. It is possible. It's kind of far.
Like a cable or something's twisted.
Nah, I think more it's the compression. It's far from my mouth, so it's possible it doesn't pick it up.
Yeah, I gotta kill Ninja Trader. What the fuck? Okay. Accept the facts and move on.
Okay, you cursed. Oh, I was going to say you cursed me. My Ninja Trader just hung.
Kill it.
Boom, 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 boom. Kill it. Oops, I did it again. Okay, there you go. That's your song. Oops, I did it again.
It killed half of it and the other half's still there. Ninja Trader, what the fuck are you doing, man?
You want me to get you the word? You want me to get you the words?
I have to. What words?
For "Oops, I Did It Again." That was the song that they chose for you to sing at 11 o'clock.
Yeah, I'm totally gonna sing it to you. If we get, let's see, if I can get 20 people in the room.
Hold on, let me make a call.
If I can get 20 people in the room and let's see, 5 subscribers. I'm gonna sing "Oops, I Did It Again."
No song or just like a little bit?
And Mike's gonna sing "Hit Me Baby One More Time."
There you go. I think we should do it. You got the music playing in your ear, but you sing it a cappella. We hear how bad it is.
I guess I gotta kill Ninja. I gotta go to the control panel or something. Task manager to kill Ninja Trader. It's really fucked. In task. It killed half of it. The other half's like, I'm not going. Fuck it.
Yeah. Taking another cap. We pull back 23,020. That's a little far away. Position adding 23,050 and 70. Yeah, if we get there. 15 points range. Maybe we stay under. Maybe. Everything is maybe. Everything is anything can happen. 46. I have a trade short at 46. Let's take it for a 3-lot NQ. 46. 7. 45. 41. There, I missed my entry. I'll be your first sub. Shit! Missed it again. We were complaining that there weren't any fast movers. Yes, he is. 0 trades on comp account.
Yeah, fuck it. I'll play this one again.
Long here. Yeah, I can see that definitely. This was a chase. Again, I'm not fighting for price. I really have to let me get out. I gotta fight for price. I can't be chasing. I can't be chasing. No more chasing.
Got
Get
some
your price, don't get in.
got some further movement going on.
Yeah. Volatility picked up a tiny bit. Actually, it was a 50% increase in volatility.
I'm happy they haven't flagged me for the Bulenox video music yet. Yeah, 2 days so far, so.
And why would you think it's a famous song you're using?
Yeah, but I overlapped 2 of them. Try to confuse them. You gotta have some kind of strategy, right?
I was wondering about that. If you deal me in Skeletor, if you change the pitch,
Nah, I don't think that would work.
Will they pick it up? Skeletor, how you doing in the competition? I know you said you were going to start a new account, something like that, I think. Did you do your did you do a rebuy?
I do have a 5-minute hammer coming off of this 5-minute moving average.
I never put up the moving average.
And the support zone. Could see a buyback up here.
You said 200, eh?
Yeah.
Is what you EMA, SMA?
I think EMA. Yeah, EMA.
I don't think it's that relevant, to be honest with you. I don't know.
I think it's just all about how you want to look at it.
Yeah.
The EMA is more aggressive to the newer candles.
Oh, I'm just wondering who uses it. Which one is used more, EMA or SMA? That's what I'm wondering.
Probably about the same.
I'm curious. I'm going to put up an SMA also. See how far it is.
I tend to always like the EMAs better.
Yeah,
a lot of people for the 200 like the SMA. Hey, I finally downloaded that Quant Tower.
Oh, okay.
Still don't see any need to use it though. But I was surprised because it let me use it along with TradingView. Before it wouldn't do that. Because I pay for the data. And you're not supposed to use data in 2 different places.
Yep.
I don't know if that's something I can do now or that was just a glitch yesterday.
Yeah, it's interesting. The EMA and the SMA, they kind of form bands. You know me, Mr. Bands. If you put them both up,
I was surprised that Quant Tower actually has the chart I like, the 2600 volume Heikin-Ashi.
okay.
But they don't display the Heikin-Ashi candles the way NinjaTrader does. And I like the NinjaTrader Heikin-Ashi a lot better.
I hate NinjaTrader, Heikin-Ashi. You know they repaint, eh?
They don't repaint for me because I don't use their coloring.
No, but I'm saying the way they display them, where their highs, their lows, are, they repaint. If you would check it, take a screenshot and then check it 2 days later, and the bars are different. I tell you what they repaint to. They eventually repaint to what you would get on TradingView. TradingView is stable. What you see in TradingView Live is what you'll see in TradingView after you close it down and check it a day later. NinjaTrader's kind of scattered, but then when you close it down and open it, it matches TradingView.
Well, what I don't like with the TradingView was the same thing with the Quant Tower, is that your Heikin-Ashi bars have a lot of wicks. So I guess you get used to those wicks, but with the NinjaTrader, I don't have a lot of the wicks. They might repaint, I don't know. I don't know that it would affect what I'm doing.
Okay.
I mean, it might.
I think it might. And I'll tell you why. Because you get color change. If you're using color changes, you get color changes more frequently live than you do when you close down the platform and check it later. When you check it later, you're going to say, "Oh, it only changed colors 5 times," but live it would have changed colors 8 times. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but once again, I'm not using the Heikin-Ashi to change colors.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that.
I'm using the Super Trend. Now, Super Trends are bad about repainting also. That's always been kind of the issue with Super Trend.
We got a 70% chance to go hit 39. Just to let you people know, I'm going to get out here at 39.
You get a short signal. I don't know.
Yeah, I got a short signal there. I finally took one proper trade today.
So it is on the moving average. So if we don't say push for it dropping, what do we say again? I always forget.
Pull.
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 I got a pull. You see my pull?
Nope. I'm focusing on my trade. Oh, see it. I can't hear it. Oh, the caveman.
Yeah.
What's the 22,866?
Oh, that was the all-time high for a while.
Okay.
I didn't change it. I gotta change it. Get rid of that number. And
this is what I don't like. The trade should have just went. Now it's like moving back and forth, further movement. Fuck, just go.
Well, as someone who's not in a trade right now, what I see is we're right at the low there. And yeah, I think there's a good potential that we'll break it and go lower. We'll get a little bit of an extension bar over there. I see that as a possibility.
Yeah.
As a high likelihood.
I'm not liking it. I'm gonna kill it. Fuck it.
You don't have confidence in me.
Oh yeah.
I see it going lower. Kill it. Fuck it. He doesn't know what he's talking about. He's got three red accounts.
Oh, I'm not supposed to fight the 5-minute moving average. So that was kind of fighting the 5-minute moving average. Had we not have been at the 5-minute moving average or VWAP or something like that, I'm not supposed to fight. And look at this, it's pushing back up.
Skeletor, sorry, I didn't see your chat. So you're in the same account, 258 profit. I want to make a comeback with that account. Perfect. Mike Floor, how do you have 3 prop firms connected at the same time in Ninja? As long as it's Tradevate, you can do it. You can't do it with Rhythmic, but these are all Tradevate. It's Apex Tradevate, MFFU Tradevate, Take Profit Trader, Take Profit. Yeah, Take Profit Trader, Tradevate. You just open up connections and you click configure. Very simple. Click configure, you choose Ninja Trader. And when you choose Ninja Trader, just type in connection name, is just your name, whatever, call it anything you want. Just type in your Tradevate username and password. Make sure account type is simulation. I think I could show you. I don't think anything is showing here. Let me just confirm. Yeah, there we go. Nothing is showing. So you choose Ninja Trader. Or over here, sorry. You choose Ninja Trader. You double click it. It'll drop it down here. I just did it. My Ninja Trader. Call it anything you want. Enter in your Tradevate username, your Tradevate password. Make sure account type is simulation. And click apply. And you will have it connecting to the other brokers. I can actually add Bulenox also. You can bring in one Rhythmic connection. Here, I'll bring in my Bulenox accounts. Oh, no, sorry. Oh, yeah, there we go. I was going to say, because I had Bulenox open on my other computer. So, yeah, I brought in my Bulenox accounts. My Bulenox accounts are slightly green. Master account up 19. I didn't really trade it well, and these are eval. But yeah, you can. So I got Take Profit Trader, Bulenox, Apex, and MFFU. But you can only bring in one Rhythmic account. If I had another Rhythmic account, it wouldn't allow me. But let me disconnect my Bulenox. God forbid they say you were trade copying to another firm because you had a connection open. These guys with their stupid rules. They got some stupid rules. I'm sorry. I mean, they really went to school on with the stupid rule book. I got a trade at 39. I can get in at 45.75. That's not bad. It's 6 points better. I'll take a trade with 6 points better.
Hey, that was a good explanation. You should have saved that for the highlight reel.
Okay, I just did. Control caps lock.
Mm-hmm.
Smile. You're on camera.
Jose, what's up, man?
Control
How's the
caps
trading
lock.
going today?
39, 43, 53 is my stop on this trade. 8 points.
What are you in?
Yeah, short. You're talking to me.
NQ?
You're talking to me, yeah. I got a top step triggered a trade, which is all I should be trading. This is a golden short right here. Gonna add, because if it's not able to make it, there we go.
How's our gold been acting? Jose, you been trading gold today?
Let me get out. Let me get out. My accounts are Rhythmics. Yeah, so if you have Rhythmics, then you should break away from Rhythmic Skeletor. It's too flawed, in my opinion.
Up one win, down on the other.
Guys, if my wife breaks the diet today, stuffing her face with a Costco hot dog, I'm going to take a picture with my phone and show it tomorrow.
Oh, God. She gonna come after you, put a picture of her up. Joker.
Maybe.
What's up, Joker? Hit the like button, yeah. Jose's up on the Aussie dollar, a little down on the euro dollar.
How's
All
he
right.
doing on the competition? I have a short trade. Why am I not in this short trade? It's a valid trade. It's short at 39.
We got to get Jose to come over to the competition. He can trade. He can trade forex, right?
It's not too late. It's not too late. Yeah, why not? If you can get an account that's equivalent, 50K with a 3K profit and a 2,500 drawdown or a 2,000 drawdown, whatever. Anybody want to hear me burp? There, too late. I burped inside.
Still getting short signals.
Smash the like. Okay. Sure, smash the like. Hit subscribe. Use code FLOOR. You know the drill. I'm not a financial advisor. If anybody uses my codes, I thank you in advance for your support. It is appreciated, and I don't get notified who's using them, so
Yeah, I do.
thank you all.
I do wish they would tell you a little bit more.
They should. They absolutely should tell you who. At least give you the first name, because it's wrong that they don't. Anyways. But then again, some people may just find it an invasion of privacy, so.
Yeah, plus you're dealing with they are technically a financial institution, so they might have to fall under those guidelines.
Anyways, check in tomorrow for the picture of my wife eating her Costco hot dog.
They do
Breaking the diet.
They do kind of tell you like where the people came from.
Really?
Yeah, you never noticed that?
Oh, like YouTube or Facebook.
Yeah, YouTube, Facebook, or some other website.
Yeah. But that doesn't tell me any information about this.
Still fighting this moving average. Did you see that YouTube has a community thing now on their phone app?
Well, I know there's the community posts. I have faith in her. Why? Because you don't know her. I do have faith in her. I have faith in her for everything. Except the Costco hot dog. I swear to God. Seriously. It's the oddest thing. If I just start walking from the cash towards the door, she's just going to stop and look like she's seeing Santa Claus not giving her a present. She's just going to have her mouth open going, and she's going to look at me. She's not going to walk. She's not going to be following me.
Mike's going to walk her back and forth in front of the hot dogs a couple times. Oh, I forgot something over here. Oh, I forgot something over here.
It's really odd. It's really odd.
Oh, she's going to come after both of us.
Yeah, they are good. You got the Polish and the regular one. The Polish one is good. That's the one we always get.
Polish hot dog?
Yeah. Missed another trade. I don't know how I'm up 249.50 trading this poorly. I'm not going to complain, but...
See? You don't have to trade good. You just got to be lucky.
I don't remember what I started the morning with. If anybody remembers, you can remind me. It could have been 17, it could have been 23, it could have been 180. And I can't go to the beginning of my stream. It doesn't allow me, so I can't check. I'll have to check after I stop the stream. I hope it was $17 or $18. That would make me feel good. At least I built it up. But if it was like you're not trading poorly just because you didn't take a free trade. No, it's not that I'm missing. I'm just missing all my entries and getting in late. And no, I missed all the good ones.
Did you start the day green or red?
I don't even remember. I think I started the day slightly green. I think yesterday I don't know.
I think I started the day slightly red. I was doing stupid shit yesterday.
I know I was down 250 at some point last night. And then I did some kind of recovery. I don't know how much. I don't remember anymore. I don't know if I ended green last night.
I think I was down like 200 or something like that during the morning session yesterday. And then in the afternoon, I was like, okay, well, I can make that back. It's no problem. But then I was trading distracted, and I was trying to do a bunch of other things. And then run back to the computer. I was like, okay, I can take a trade here. And of course, it goes against me because I wasn't focused on it. So I think I ended down like 400 or something.
Yeah. Butters, I'm up 250 for the day on the take profit account, on the competition account. But I trade copied at one point, and I added the MFFU account, and all I did was lose. Copy. That's it. That's it. That's my limit. That's more than my limit for a loss on any account in a day. 166. Because you know what? It's so easy to recover the next day, those amounts. So the most important thing to me right now, I am so focused on, is do not allow any account to lose a lot of money.
Yeah.
Don't dig yourself in a hole.
Yeah, we could do a buy here. Coming off of this support. It's been bouncing around a bit. Where's Joker at? This is a Joker setup, isn't it?
Yeah.
Joker, you looking for a long here?
I wouldn't say it's an anybody setup. I wouldn't call it a Mike Stunt setup because of the way we kind of...
Okay, it's more their setup than our setup, so...
Yeah. I would call it their setup at around the 905 level. Because of the previous day's close. Look how we bounced up on
long
it.
At 925. See?
Nice. Sweet. I'm long 925. I think I'm going.
Now we got a hammer on the 5 minute.
Probably 3.
I think this could push up. But I think if I jump in right now, it'll pull back and get me. I think that's always the hardest part, finding your confirmation setup. And one thing I don't get on trades like this is a good confirmation setup on my other chart.
You have to show me how you your manual trades. I'm curious to know how you enter them. You're gonna have to show me one time. Put up a chart or something and
Would love to see a pullback right now.
talk me through it. I'm just so curious to see how you always get entries like kind of right where I get the entries. It's interesting. Two completely different techniques.
You know, I made a video of it like 3 weeks ago and refused to release it.
No, did you really?
Yeah, remember I told you I made a video, I just haven't released it.
Oh, okay.
I don't know why. I think what it was like a 20-minute video and I like crammed it down to like 5 minutes. So it's a bit choppy. Didn't I used a website to do it.
You know,
And it kind of made it a bit choppy. I don't know. Still better than a 20-minute video. Nobody wants to watch a 20-minute video.
I was showing my son the other day my 3-minute video. After like 20 seconds, Dad, are you nuts? Nobody's got this kind of attention. I go, David, I watch 30-minute videos on physics and on math and on, you know, on other. I sit through them and I watch them at regular speed. What do you mean nobody? He goes, yeah, all the old people. The old people watch videos for 30 minutes. He goes, the young crowd, you got us for 15 seconds. I go, okay, what do you want me to do? What can I say in 15 seconds? Buy here, sell there, goodbye?
That's asking a lot, even the 15 seconds.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, my kids get on those shorts and they love them. I'm like, no, you're not watching shorts. I refuse to let them watch shorts.
Yeah, it's like brain crack.
Yeah.
Or eye crack.
And it's just what kind of degenerate shit can you do in 15 seconds to keep people watching? It's never anything positive, you know.
Yeah, and kids are gullible.
Still hopeful for a pullback here, because I'd love to jump in right here. See, once again, kind of called the long here, and the hammer on the 5 minute coming off the moving average, great setup. But it's like, what's the entry confirmation for that?
We stayed there long though, eh?
Yeah, but we even broke a trend line. So we had a nice push up, hammer on the 2 minute, hammer on the 5. Great setup.
It's all trash. I will give a 100 to that. It really is all trash. I had TikTok. I swear to God, I'm not joking. I got addicted to TikTok. It was crazy. It was on an iPad. Every night I had to watch videos for like an hour. At that time, it was the cute cat videos, you know, all those little animals. Squirrels going round and round on the feeders, those kinds of things. But shit, damn. I took it off. And for 3 years, I didn't have it.
Isn't that crazy how they keep you so glued to it over?
I didn't understand it. I told my daughter, I swear to God, it was like crack. I was addicted. I needed it my fix.
Over videos that you wouldn't even care to watch. It's like, why?
No, they're cute. No, they're cute. Those animal videos are cute. Those, you know, but you don't need to watch an hour of them every night. It's pretty much the same thing eventually, you know?
They figured out a glitch on how to keep your attention span for 15 seconds and just keep you glued in.
Yep. They've tied themselves into human behavior, kind of like what we were talking about the other day about the algo.
And now YouTube and Facebook and everybody else trying to jump on board.
It's tied into human behavior.
Mm-hmm.
They definitely study.
Just think of how many 30-second videos you watch in an hour, and it flies by like it wasn't even there. My kids get mad. They're like, Dad, those are the best videos. I'm like, no. No. And of course, they watch like the Minecraft videos and the Fortnite videos. So it's really just some young kid trying to make inappropriate things in 15 seconds on a Minecraft video.
Joker took out 50. Mike Stunts took out 49. And I'm feeling inadequate. But it's 11:30, and it's not time to try and make up for my inadequacies, because it's already late in the day. And I also had to deal with rage issues, and I'm lucky that I didn't spin out of control, which is another positive. I don't think the clicker helped me, but yeah, I didn't spin out of control. Maybe it was you this time, Omnius, telling me to go bury my head in cottage cheese.
Wait, what? Control cap. Control cap again.
No, serious. I'm very, very self-aware. I was boiling inside.
Yeah.
I was ready. Like I told you, I was on my Bulenox account. I was ready to go click, 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 because I have it set for a 3-lot. I was ready to click my brains away and just go max. I was furious.
So mad that we didn't get a pullback right here. Same thing at the top. Like the best setup and don't get a pullback.
I'm thinking at least 22,800 entry.
You know what? I'm gonna play the Batman again just to see if I get flagged.
Why would you get flagged? They're not going to see it. Play the song, you'll get flagged. Oh, wait a minute. Let me get on your stream.
Did you miss it? Oh man.
Yeah. Well,
Jose, you still there? You like the Batman? Alright, give me a few more minutes. What?
Okay,
Yeah,
ready.
he's not. I was trying to see if Jose was there, if he liked the Batman. Alright,
Ready?
ready?
Yep.
Because I'm Batman.
Because I'm Batman.
Batman!
No, I purposely kept that out of there.
No, that's what's gonna flag you.
That's one that wasn't in there, was it?
Huh?
So I
No,
got.
but it picked me up.
Oh, you're trying to get me flagged?
That's it. I want to see if it does.
Oh my goodness. Well, do it without the bat. Do it now, and we'll see if it flags it now.
What do you mean again?
Yeah.
No, now I'm embarrassed.
It's not like you're on camera in front of a bunch of people or anything. Come on.
Before it was spur of the moment. Now it's like on demand. It's no good.
Oh God. You don't perform on demand?
I perform on demand. No.
What if we get you one more like? Then you do it?
Well, I need the Batman.
Alright, I'll play the Batman. Then you can't do it with the Batman because then it's gonna flag. How am I gonna know?
You're gone again. I don't know. You keep disappearing.
Huh? I'm right here. What are you talking about?
No, on my phone. For whatever reason, it just goes right off your stream. I have your stream on your phone, on my phone, and it just goes away. It just goes to the next video every time.
YouTube don't like me.
Okay.
Alright, Batman again.
Okay.
Because I'm Batman.
It was timed with your thing. You said without it.
What? You did it over top of it again. How am I gonna know which one gets flagged?
Okay, get out of there. Get out of here. Okay,
All right.
wait.
All right, now
tomorrow.
Now do it.
Tomorrow.
Now do it.
Okay.
Don't think about it.
Batman! There you go.
Oh, you cut out in the middle of it.
Why?
Do your clicker again. What do we got?
I don't have a trade. I don't know if you have a trade. I don't have a...
Damn it, where the hell is 11:31? When you go back and listen to your mic.
Oh, that's what you mean. You mean it cut out?
Yeah, cut out in the middle of the da 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 da.
Let me just see something. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm just checking settings, guys. K66. Properties. Mic. Again, I'm going to get rid of my compression.
Well, don't mess with anything now. Just check it. Check it after the stream. You wrote down the time. Is it on my end? Is it your end? What is it? Do other people hear it? Figure all those things out first.
No, compressor's gone. Don't need a compressor. Seriously. Oh, no, it's not the compressor. It's noise suppression. That's what it is. Yeah, noise suppression you need.
Do you have the one you can turn down a little bit? Which one do you have?
Oh, I don't know. Hold on, I gotta open it up again. Filters, noise suppression, RN noise, good quality and more CPU usage.
Oh, I had issues with that one. I used a low quality.
This speaks. Yeah. Oh, I remember why I was using it, because Alex was beside me. And I was banging on my table. But yeah, it's not picking up my banging. Fuck off. I like a noisy stream. Noise suppression is gone.
Oh, don't delete it. Just
Now you hear my banging. Now you hear everything. Now you're going to hear me fart even.
I heard you banging before.
There you go.
No, I would have noise suppression. I got
one for camp and take her to gymnastics. I may miss the trade.
I got 2 noise gates, a noise suppression, and a expander. Did you set up an expander?
No, I don't even know what that is.
Yeah, it's like another noise gate. I got all that and a microphone that don't pick up a lot of noise. Hopefully you don't hear much noise. I don't know. Alright, here we go. Push up, jump in, ride it to the moon. You with me?
Oh, yeah. We're going to get a trade here maybe soon. Maybe. I might get a setup. I don't know how you have a setup before me.
No, I don't have it yet. I said we might.
Yeah, man, I don't have it either.
Is it VWAP? I think we can push right through it. I don't know. I like the long, so I'll risk it.
It's VWAP and IB high, IB low.
But I am green on the day. Came back from the red fucking around yesterday.
Okay.
So if this trade makes me red again, fuck.
Well, you got some wicks under the candles there. Hopefully that provides a little bit of push to the upside. What's your schedule after the stream? You got 5 minutes? Yeah. No, because your daughter, it seems like your daughter's asking for you to go already.
Oh, they're getting hungry. It sucks because when they go to school, they feed them lunch at like 10:30 or something. Which is crazy because they feed them breakfast at like 8:30 or 9 or something. But they go right from breakfast to lunch. Then they go on a summer break and I feel like I'm starving them to death come 12 o'clock.
Okay, lunchtime, but I didn't finish my breakfast yet.
They do, I don't know if they do it where you're at. In Florida, they do where they still give the kids lunch.
Okay.
So they have a school down the road, and I'll take them there, and they still feed them lunch and give them like some breakfast stuff. And some of the other kids they go to school with, they see there sometimes. They like going and doing that. It's a pretty cool program. Make sure all the kids are fed well throughout the summer break.
Yep. Can't hear you anymore. Really?
Can't hear me? I hear you.
Everybody seems to be working. I don't know. Hold on. Let me open up my stream. 1, 2, 3.
I heard you.
Wow. It's oddly quiet, though.
Oh, that is quiet.
Yep. What'd you do? Thanks for telling me to change my settings.
No, I told you. I told you not to.
Yeah, you did, I know. And it takes 2 seconds to put them back up there. They're saved by default. No plus compressor. Oh, there's the expander. Plus noise gate, noise suppress, and the gate. So there's an expander and a gate. I don't know what either of those do. I guess I'll have to chat GPT it. Noise suppression. Okay. Our noise. Close. And one last change. And that should be good. We should be back in business. Change. That should be good. We should be back in business. Talk just to check your.
Can you hear me now? Check, check, check. Mike farted.
And I hear you.
Did you hear me?
I'm a little bit louder than you. Yep, I'm a little bit louder than you. Just raise you a little bit. Now just get rid of this shitty echo.
Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now?
I hear you. 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 Good to go. But echo now. Yeah, I had to do the sound check. There was echo. Yep. Did I get you in the morning with the time thing?
I was watching other videos, and you kept going on about the time thing. I'm like, what the hell's this guy talking about? Like, he's drunk. He stayed up all night. He's drunk. This guy's streaming when I go to sleep. I wake up. This guy's streaming when I wake up.
I didn't make you doubt your clocks in your house?
No. I got, 3 different clocks in front of me?
Shit, we had a friend when we were in high school. We all got drunk, but he got pass out drunk, and I'm talking major pass out drunk. This guy worked early in the morning at a fruit market.
Kind of fruity.
Very dedicated. I came back and you and Butters left me. Very dedicated employee. We painted his nails. An important detail. His parents and his sister were in Greece. We had the house to ourselves. We painted his nails with nail polish. We took all the nail polish remover. We put fish food and gel in his hair, and we moved every clock in his house back an hour to make him late for work. The next night we saw him. He didn't have nail polish remover, so he had to remove the nail polish with a knife. He had to scratch it off his fingers. Okay, yeah, I got tired. I was gonna go all. Sorry, Joe. I didn't get what you meant. Yeah, that was it. I hit a wall. I was tired.
Sounds like that guy might have y'all on some kind of a list or something.
No, not anymore. Actually, no. I saw him many, many years later. Daughter was my daughter's hockey.
Oh, yeah?
And, I saw him. I said, Billy? He said, yeah. No, he wasn't, yeah. You're young kids. You do stupid things all the time. We were always harassing each other. It wasn't done mean. It was done for fun. I was watching a movie with Yeah, those are the best times. I love doing things with my kids. Trying to get to go out for lunch with Alex because he's not here anymore, but tried twice. Didn't work out. I invited my son yesterday to come out for pizza with me and James. Didn't want to come.
Wait a second. How you going to go out for lunch if all you can eat is cottage cheese?
No, not anymore now.
Oh.
But, in the past I was calling him. Yesterday I told David, come with us for the pizza. Didn't want. But then again, when you're 24, you want to hang out with your 60-year-old father?
Yeah, why not?
I didn't want to.
Wait, you didn't want to hang out with your dad?
Nope. I loved my dad. He was a great man. But no, I never had a desire to really do stuff with them. With my parents.
Oh, yeah. That's why you got to find things your kids are interested in.
Yeah, well, they were immigrants, and they had a different philosophy. They were very family-oriented. We spent like every weekend at one of our uncle's houses, and which isn't a bad thing, but...
Wait, your kids are immigrants?
No, my parents.
Oh, you're talking about your... I'm like, your kid's not part of the family, or what? What's...
3 easy eggs on his cottage cheese.
Your parents were immigrants to Canada.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. So and they were very family oriented. But the thing is, a lot of the other A lot of the aunts and uncles thought they can have a hand in raising.
I don't know if
My
this is the
father-
best trade, but I do feel like I gotta take it.
Along, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right
I
at the
got my
freaking
hand on the mouse.
VWAP.
Yeah, that's the problem. That's the VWAP is the problem. That's why I'm not clicking.
Yeah, there's
Maybe
the
I'll-
signal there. I don't know. Yeah, I gotta try. I gotta try this one.
I clicked at 78.
Fuck it. I've lost on worse trades. And at least it's the second or third attempt at VWAP. And we're getting into the 12 o'clock hour. I don't want to move.
85.
Wait, what happened? Oh, what the fuck? You motherfucker.
You didn't get filled?
Oh, I got filled. I'm on the wrong account. And now it's trying to go. You motherfucker. Remember, I had to reset my Ninja Trader.
What's a wrong account?
Yeah, I'll explain it.
What makes it wrong?
I'll explain it to you another day.
How can an account be wrong?
I
Why do
said-
you have the account? Why do you have the account if it's wrong?
Told you I'll explain it to you another day. Told you before, but
I'm bugging you. I don't listen.
okay,
Anyways.
start. Can I still
Why
take the
explain
trade?
any- Yep,
Alright.
go for it.
We get a little
Why
pullback?
explain?
Alright, fuck it. Go. Come on.
Well, I need to hear it. Joker wants to know. Why explain anything to me? I'm gonna forget as fast as you say it. My
Joker,
wife sends me down. My wife sends me downstairs to get toilet paper. I go downstairs.
forget
and
the
then I'm
total.
standing around. Why did I come downstairs? I go back up without the toilet paper.
Joker, explain it now. I need to hear it. Everybody wants to hear it. Yeah, it's a trade secret.
Tell us. Tell us. Tell us.
Trade secret. Taking it to my grave. Alright, is this pushing or not? What the fuck?
Nope. I got out. I bailed. I panicked.
All I hear is crickets. Well, there you go. We need a cricket one.
Crickets. Crickets. Crickets.
Yeah. We're going to write that on the list. Make cricket pop up.
Make
Joker.
crickets great again.
Make
Make crickets great again.
make crickets great again. We're going to do crickets with a make crickets great again hat.
One huge cricket. Skeletor, me too. So that's cool, Skeletor. You did good. You came back up a little bit. Hit the Discord soundboard. I'm tired. Tired. I'm not in a good mood. I don't even think mine works. I had no sounds anymore.
All right, push,
Yeah,
push,
they're-
push. Come on.
They're all locked now. Discord sounds. They're all gone.
Will Batman help it push?
Try.
You can do it, Batman. Come on.
And I pay. I don't get it. Where did all my sounds go? I have no more Discord sounds.
Because I'm Batman.
Maybe if I do this, maybe the sounds are here now.
All right, did it push? Did it work?
Here's the soundboard.
Really, I just want to keep playing the Batman so I know if they flag me or not. Really going to try to
So
push that envelope.
in the video room, they don't have the sounds, but in the main Discord,
Heard that.
in the main,
There's your crickets.
yeah, in the
Joker, you in this? You still holding it? This is not pushing. Even Batman couldn't get it to push. Now I'm getting worried. Need a fire emoji to put under the candle. Light a fire under its ass.
How do we get back in?
What?
Yeah. Oh, wow, look at that. It put me right back in right away. That's interesting.
What'd you do?
I didn't even have to do it. I closed Discord. I thought I was closing the sounds, and I closed Discord.
Uh-oh.
In all fairness, Discord doesn't have a good border around their top menu bar, so I confuse it with other menu bars.
Yeah, and I don't like how you...
long?
I am still in the long. I would like it to push. I called Batman, tried to get Batman to get it to push. I need a fire emoji to put under it, so burn a lot of fire under its ass.
That's it, burn Batman's ass.
Still not pushing. You know I have a short patience for trades. It's already, what, like a minute and a half trade. It's like forever for me. 43 to 47? No way, it's fucking 3-minute trade already? In the secret account? No, I'm in the right account now.
It's a good thing you don't trade in the evening. I'm really, really thinking if I should continue trading in the evening.
So, Joker, it goes with the way that my copy trader's set up. I have to explain it to you another time.
When Mike's not listening.
I already told you.
I don't remember.
I use a copy trader that some guy was like, I just happened upon the guy and he was giving away free copy traders.
Yeah, I remember.
Say less? What's that mean?
But why does that make the account wrong? Just because you're using a copy trader.
It's the way it sets up. Goes back to like a default. You gotta turn it back on. So basically I didn't have the copy trader on to cycle through the right accounts. Oh. No, it's fine. I mean, wasn't really a trade secret. I was kind of just joking about that. Come on, man. This ain't gonna push, is it? The fuck?
What time is it? Oh, it's almost 12.
Yeah. Killing this shit. Fuck you. Now it'll go.
I hope so. I'm still long.
Are you?
Yeah, I got back in.
Now you're making me feel like I should have held it. What the fuck?
My target was 85. I got out, made nothing. And then when it got to my target of 85, I got back in. How stupid is that? See, that's what I'm saying. I'm trading very poorly today.
I still think it's going to go, but I don't want to risk the day that I went from red to green to go back to red to back to green, and have to come back in the afternoon, try to fight it out again, distracted, and fuck it all up again. Yeah, my copy trader is not as sophisticated as Mike's.
Oh, yeah.
But at least I didn't pay $150 for it to fuck up all the time. Mine was free, and most of the time it fucks up. It's my fault for forgetting to press the button to turn it on. Don't forget to smash that like button, because if you don't, you're telling Google that you don't like the stream. It's fucked up that it's that way, but that's how Google is. You either like it or you don't. Sound about right, Mike?
Sounds about right. Do I look stressed?
I don't know.
This is my stressed position.
Why?
I'm oversized. Not crazy oversized, but I'm oversized, and I'm going to get stopped out.
Wait, you're only supposed to be in a 5 lot.
No. I'm on my Bulenox account.
Oh, fuck.
I have a 9 lot. It's not going my way.
See, that whole 5-lot thing was to keep you in line.
That's it.
Now you see why I get worried about trades that don't go when they're supposed to?
Yep.
So I stayed in the trade for what, 43, 6 or 7 minutes? Well, that was a new candle there. So yeah, I was in 7 minutes. 6 or 7 minutes. Didn't go nowhere. Did you get out?
I'm out. Yep, I'm out as soon as the candle turned black.
All right, as long as you ain't doing the hope and pray method.
No, I even hit the close. I didn't even use. Anyways, that's my loss for the day.
Yeah, it's 11:52.
Yeah.
You hanging out longer or ready to call it?
No. I'm getting off and I'm closing all my platforms. And that's it. I'm just going to go sit outside now for like 5 or 10 minutes and come back and do some work.
Get a little bit of sunlight.
Yep. If we have, I don't know. I think it's raining this week. I don't really know.
Yeah, it looks a little cloudy at my house.
Okie dokie.
Still think this is going to push up. My best guess is
probably
get a little push, pull back, go back to the highs. Just locking in my thesis. What do you call it?
Thesis, hypo.
Yeah, hypothesis, thesis, whatever.
Theory, bias. Use any word you want.
All right. If you're ready, I'm ready.
I'm good.
All right, guys. Appreciate y'all hanging out. Get off here. See you by tomorrow. If you're green, don't give it back. If red, don't go on tilt. If you're in the competition, good luck.
What I end at 249.50. Later, Joker.
I have hey, mark me down for 48. Was red,
48?
brought it back. Yeah, $48. I was red, brought it back. Not a whole lot, but hell, at least I'm green again.
Yeah.
Because I was distracted last night, and don't trade distracted. You fuck yourself up.
Yeah.
All right. Later, guys.
Okay. Take care. Bye.
The charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled. Now we call it a day. With NASDAQ's lessons learned and futures still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. The markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind